Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into New Mexico adventures, desert landscapes, and artistic enclaves. Known as the Land of Enchantment, New Mexico offers a unique blend of breathtaking desert scenery, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant artistic communities. Let's explore the must-see attractions and hidden gems of this captivating state. Segment 1: Desert Landscapes. Introduction to New Mexico's deserts. Our journey begins with the stunning desert landscapes that define New Mexico's natural beauty. From towering dunes to ancient volcanic formations, the state's desert regions are a photographer's paradise and a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. White Sands National Park. First up, White Sands National Park. Imagine a sea of pristine white gypsum sand dunes stretching as far as the eye can see. Whether you're hiking, sand sledding, or simply taking in the surreal beauty, White Sands offers a truly unique experience. Visit at sunset for an unforgettable view as the dunes glow under the colorful sky. Carlsbad Caverns National Park. Next, we venture underground to Carlsbad Caverns National Park. This incredible network of over 119 caves was formed by sulfuric acid dissolution of limestone. Take a self-guided tour through the Big Room, the largest single cave chamber by volume in North America, and be awed by the stunning stalactites, stalagmites, and other rock formations. Bystide Na Zin Wilderness. For a more off-the-beaten-path adventure, head to the Bystide Na Zin Wilderness. This remote area features otherworldly rock formations, hoodoos, and badlands. Perfect for hiking and photography, the Bisty Badlands feel like a journey to another planet. Segment 2: Artistic Enclaves. Introduction to New Mexico's artistic communities. New Mexico is not only known for its natural beauty, but also for its vibrant art scene. The state has inspired artists for generations, leading to the creation of numerous artistic enclaves. Santa Fe. Our first stop is Santa Fe, the heart of New Mexico's art scene. Start with a visit to Canyon Road, a historic street lined with over 100 galleries, boutiques, and restaurants. Explore the Georgia O'Keeffe Museum, dedicated to one of America's most iconic artists. And don't miss the Santa Fe Plaza, a lively area with traditional Pueblo architecture and a bustling market. Taos. Next, we head to Taos, a town known for its bohemian vibe and rich artistic heritage. Visit the Taos Art Museum at Fetchin House, showcasing works by early 20th century Taos artists. Explore the historic Taos Pueblo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has been continuously inhabited for over 1,000 years. The Pueblo's multi-storied adobe buildings are a testament to the enduring culture of the Taos people. Madrid. For a quirky and colorful experience, visit the small village of Madrid. This former coal mining town has transformed into a thriving artist community. Wander through the eclectic galleries, shops, and cafes, and be sure to check out the local art festivals and live music events that bring this charming village to life. Segment 3: Cultural and Historical Sites. Introduction to New Mexico's cultural heritage. New Mexico's rich cultural heritage is a blend of Native American, Hispanic, and Anglo influences. The state's historical sites and cultural landmarks offer a deep dive into its fascinating past. Bandelier National Monument. Explore Bandelier National Monument, where you can hike among ancient cliff dwellings and petroglyphs left by the ancestral pueblones. The park's trails lead you through beautiful canyons and up to well-preserved archaeological sites. Albuquerque Old Town. In Albuquerque, visit Old Town to experience a blend of history and culture. This historic area features adobe buildings, cobblestone streets, and a variety of shops and restaurants. Don't miss the San Felipe de Neri Church, which dates back to 1793, and the Indian Pueblo Cultural Center, where you can learn about the 19 Pueblo tribes of New Mexico. Chaco Culture National Historical Park. For a deeper understanding of Native American history, visit Chaco Culture National Historical Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site preserves one of the most important pre-Columbian cultural and historical areas in the United States. The park's massive stone buildings and astronomical alignments reflect the advanced engineering and astronomical knowledge of the Chacon people. Segment 4: Festivals and Events. Introduction to New Mexico's Festivals. New Mexico hosts a variety of festivals and events throughout the year that celebrate its unique culture, art, and traditions. Here are a few you won't want to miss. Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta. Every October, the Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta lights up the sky with hundreds of colorful hot air balloons. This 9-day event is the largest balloon festival in the world and offers a truly magical experience with balloon launches, night glows, and special shape rodeos. Santa Fe Indian Market. Each August, the Santa Fe Indian Market brings together Native American artists from across North America. This renowned event showcases traditional and contemporary artwork, including jewelry, pottery, textiles, and more. It's a wonderful opportunity to appreciate and purchase authentic Native American art. Taos Winter Wine Festival. In the winter, the Taos Winter Wine Festival offers a delightful blend of fine wine and gourmet food. Set against the backdrop of Taos Ski Valley, the festival features tastings, chef luncheons, and wine dinners that highlight the best of New Mexico's culinary scene. Conclusion. And that wraps up our journey through New Mexico adventures, desert landscapes, and artistic enclaves. From the awe-inspiring desert landscapes to the vibrant artistic communities and rich cultural heritage, New Mexico truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy travels!